Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Together, your cozy place to practice real English and feel good while learning. I'm Jessie, and today we're talking about something that can truly change how you feel every day: gratitude.
Hi everyone, I'm Wyatt. Gratitude is such a powerful word, but it's also simple. It means being thankful for what you have. And today we'll show you how to talk about gratitude in English using natural everyday conversation.
Exactly. This episode will help you learn new words and phrases for expressing thankfulness, and it will also remind you to notice the good things around you, even the small ones.
That's right. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's begin this positive English conversation together.
I love that. A calm start for a calm topic. So, Wyatt, tell me, what comes to your mind when you hear the word gratitude?
Hmm. For me, gratitude means appreciating what I already have. Not focusing on what's missing, but on what's good. Even simple things like a warm meal or a good friend.
That's beautiful. For me, gratitude feels like a little light inside your heart. When you notice good things and say thank you for them, that light grows brighter.
I love that image. You know, people often think gratitude has to be about big things like getting a new job or buying a car. But actually, it's the small moments that matter the most.
Yes, like this morning. I felt so grateful for my coffee. It was warm, smelled amazing, and gave me energy to start the day.
Laughs. Coffee always makes the gratitude list. I felt thankful for the sunshine today. The weather was perfect, bright but not too hot.
That's a good one. Sunshine always lifts my mood. By the way, listeners, to lift your mood means to make you feel happier.
Exactly. And when something makes you smile, that's a sign of gratitude too. So, Wyatt, what are some other things you're thankful for today?
Hmm, let's see. I'm thankful for my family, my parents, my sister, and my friends who always support me. I'm also thankful for my health. Sometimes we forget what a gift that is.
That's true. When we're healthy, we can do so many things: work, travel, laugh, learn. Health really is one of life's biggest blessings.
And what about you, Jessie? What are you grateful for right now?
Well, first, this moment. I'm grateful for being here, talking with you, and sharing this positive energy with our listeners. And I'm grateful for the people listening. You guys make this podcast possible.
Yes. Thank you all so much for being here. You're part of our Learn English Together family.
Exactly. And since we're talking about English, let's explain some vocabulary that helps express gratitude.
Good idea. So, first, the word thankful. It means feeling pleased or happy about something someone has done for you, or something good in your life. Like, I'm thankful for my friends.
Right? And another one is grateful. It's similar, but a little deeper. It means you really appreciate something from your heart. Like, I'm grateful for my home, or I'm grateful for your kindness.
Exactly. And another related word is appreciate. That means to recognize the value of something. For example, I really appreciate your help.
Yes, and here's a small grammar tip. We say I'm grateful for or I'm thankful for, followed by a noun. Like, I'm grateful for my family, not I'm grateful to my family, unless you're thanking them directly.
Good tip. Okay, let's make this more fun. Jessie, what's something small, maybe funny, that you're grateful for?
Laughs? Oh, that's easy. I'm grateful for chocolate. Seriously, a small piece of chocolate after a long day can fix everything.
That's so relatable. I'd say I'm grateful for my comfy slippers. After work, putting them on feels like heaven for my feet.
Laughs, that's adorable. So, listeners, notice how we're talking about everyday gratitude, little things that make us smile.
Exactly. Gratitude doesn't have to be fancy or poetic. It can be simple. I'm thankful for my bed. I'm thankful for my favorite song. I'm thankful for my pet.
Oh, yes, pets. I'm so grateful for mine. My cat, Luna. She always makes me laugh with her silly little habits.
That's so sweet. My dog Max is the same. He always waits by the door when I come home, tail wagging like crazy. It's impossible not to feel grateful when you see that.
Pets really do teach us gratitude. They love us without conditions. By the way, without conditions means freely, without expecting anything back.
That's a good phrase. And you know what? Gratitude also changes how we think. When we focus on what's good, we feel happier and more positive. Yes. I read somewhere that writing down 3 things you're grateful for every day can actually make your brain more optimistic over time.
That's true. It trains your mind to look for the positive instead of the negative. So instead of saying, ugh, I have to go to work, you start thinking, I'm grateful I have a job to go to.
Exactly. It's a shift in perspective. And here's another useful phrase. A shift in perspective means changing how you look at something.
Nice explanation. So, Jesse, do you keep a gratitude list or journal?
I do, actually. Every night before bed, I write 3 things I'm thankful for. Sometimes it's big things, sometimes small ones, like had a good laugh today, or my friend called me.
That's such a healthy habit. I don't write mine down, but I think about it in the morning when I wake up. I start my day by saying, okay, what's good right now?
That's perfect. Saying what's good right now is such a powerful mindset. It sets a positive tone for the day.
Totally. And for our listeners, you can practice English at the same time. Try saying your gratitude sentences out loud every morning. For example,
I'm grateful for this new day. I'm thankful for my breakfast. I appreciate the people in my life. That's a great exercise. You can even record yourself and listen later to check your pronunciation.
yes, gratitude plus English practice, a double benefit.
Exactly. Now let's talk about gratitude for experiences, not just things. Jessie, what's an experience you're grateful for recently?
Oh, I love that question. Hmm. Last week I met up with some old friends. We hadn't seen each other in years, but it felt like no time had passed. I was so grateful for that connection.
That's such a good one. I think I'm grateful for my last trip to the mountains. The air was fresh, the scenery was beautiful, and it reminded me how big the world is.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Nature really helps us feel thankful, doesn't it?
Absolutely. When you look at a sunset or hear the sound of rain, it's like your mind slows down. You stop worrying and just feel present.
Yes, being present is a big part of gratitude. And for our learners, to be present means to focus on the moment you're in, not the past or future.
Exactly. Gratitude helps you live in the now. That's another phrase you can use. Live in the now.
I like that a lot. It sounds simple, but it's powerful.
Totally. And gratitude also makes relationships stronger. When you tell people you appreciate them, they feel seen and valued. That's so true. Even saying thank you more often can make a big difference.
Yes, let's talk about that. The power of thank you.
Okay, so thank you might be two small words, but they're some of the most powerful in any language.
Definitely. You can say thank you for big things, like when someone helps you, but also for small things, like when someone holds a door open for you.
Exactly. And there are many ways to say it in English. Thanks. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. That means a lot to me.
Good examples. And when someone thanks you, you can reply with phrases like, "You're welcome, no problem, anytime, or glad to help."
Yes. Those responses sound friendly and natural.
Totally. Gratitude makes communication warmer. When you show appreciation, people feel more comfortable around you.
Exactly. It's not just about manners, it's about connection.
That's a great line. Gratitude connects people.
Yes. It's like an invisible bridge between hearts.
Beautifully said, Jessie. It
Thank you. See, even that. I'm grateful for your kind words.
laughs. And I'm grateful for your sense of humor.
So, listeners, as you can see, gratitude doesn't just make your English better, it makes your day better too.
Exactly. The more you practice it, the more natural it becomes. In language and in life.
Right. Before we wrap up, let's give our listeners a quick summary.
Sure. Today we talked about
The meaning of gratitude, how to express thankfulness in English. Useful words like thankful, grateful, and appreciate. How gratitude can make your daily life and relationships better. And small ways to practice gratitude, like writing it down or saying thank you more often.
that's a perfect summary.
And here's a small reminder. Don't wait for big moments to feel grateful. Start with the small ones.
Exactly. A hot cup of tea, a kind message, a quiet walk, they all count.
Yes. Gratitude turns ordinary moments into something special.
Beautifully said.
Thank you. And thank you to everyone listening. We're really grateful for you.
Absolutely. You're the reason we keep making these episodes.
So if you enjoyed today's talk, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with a friend.
And tell us in the comments, what's one thing you're grateful for today?
We'd love to read your answers.
Yes, let's spread gratitude together.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Stay positive, stay thankful, and keep learning English with us.
See you in the next episode of Learn English Together.
Bye for now.